It's indeed a great pleasure to be today to see all of you here on our 67th Foundation Day. The first year, 1 year anniversary of our first ever campus outside the country. This is the day last year when we started classes in our Abu Dhabi campus. In this year that is coming, we are actually going through three important things which I will highlight. One is we are going through a full-fledged external review. Based on this, we will compile all of this, a committee which will create a plan, a long-term future plan. A lot of our infrastructure needs revamp, things which you will see before the next Foundation Day.
Now, moving on, we are delighted to have Ms. Jaya Jagadish. She is the country head of AMD in India. I would also like to invite on stage Professor Shilpi Sharma, who is the professor at the Department of Biochemical Engineering and Biotechnology at IIT Delhi, currently serving as the Associate Dean of Academic Outreach and New Initiatives.
So, very good evening, Jaya. How are you today?
I'm doing great. I always get excited and inspired with the university vibe. It's a beautiful campus. The interactions have been great with the professors. So it's wonderful.
So this one is my favorite, Jaya. Which is the more challenging role? Jaya as a mother, Jaya as a country head AMD?
I think being the country head of AMD,
Okay.
my role as a mother is extremely challenging.
Yes. Soha, PhD student from electrical engineering.
Hello, ma'am. So my question is, what's the next big thing you believe is in the chip business, and what are the skills, opportunities we can look forward?
In terms of skills, I would say it's pretty much the traditional skills that are very important, whether it's hardware or software. Just because AI has come in, it doesn't mean those other skills are not required. Of course, on top of it, as I mentioned, understanding of AI, how can we use AI in what we do is also hugely important. Chip industry is exploding, right? And everyone's aware of the supply chain issues, how important these chips are in everything we do, and it's touching pretty much every sector.
We have Professor Vivek Bhuva, Dean Planning, IIT Delhi, to introduce something amazing to you all.
Good evening to all of you. As a part of this Foundation Day program, the Institute is releasing its Research Impact Report. So it has 5 sections. The first section is dedicated to startups, some of the successful technologies developed at IIT Delhi. Then it also features a section on Institute's international research. Then most of the book focuses on stories contributing, stories on research contributing to science, engineering, technology, socially relevant.
Huge round of applause should go to all of these people who have done some amazing work, and we are here to recognize them. There are 4 categories of Faculty Research Awards.
It's a pleasure to propose the vote of thanks. First of all, I'd like to thank Jaya Jagadish for accepting our invitation to be at this ceremony. I would like to thank the Academic Outreach Office, who are the ones who organize all this. It's their hard work, and led by Shilpi, who've been able to get this together. And last but not the least, thank